In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to do paper trading in Moomoo. Paper trading is a fantastic way to practice your trading strategies without risking real money, and Moomoo makes it incredibly straightforward. So, whether you're a newbie to trading or just want to test new strategies, this guide will get you started. First things first, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to get it from your app store and set up your account. Once you've got the app open, go ahead and log in using your credentials. It's always a good idea to double-check that your login details are correct to avoid any unnecessary hassle. If you face any issues logging in, a quick password reset might do the trick. Once you're logged in, look for the More option on the app's interface. This is usually found in the main menu or at the bottom of your screen, depending on the version of the app you are using. Tap on More, and this will give you access to a variety of additional features that Moomoo offers. From here, you'll want to select Paper Trade. This is your gateway to starting your paper trading journey. Now, you'll enter the paper trading section. Here, you'll be using virtual money, which means you can practice without any financial risk. This environment is set up to mimic real trading conditions as closely as possible, allowing you to get a feel for how the markets work. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface. You can experiment with different types of trades, set up various strategies, and see how they would perform in real-world scenarios. While you're in this section, make sure to explore all the tools available to you. Moomoo's paper trading platform provides a wealth of resources and analytics that you can use to enhance your trading skills. Don't hesitate to try out different strategies or make mistakes. That's exactly what paper trading is for. The goal is to learn and improve without the pressure of losing actual money. And there you have it. That's how to do paper trading in Moomoo. By following these steps, you can practice and refine your trading skills at your own pace. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become at making informed decisions when you decide to trade with real money. Happy trading, and may your strategies be successful.